Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing weekly contest 485. Hit the like button and subscribe on Drum and Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem, today's contest, everything in between. Without further ado, let's go. Let's have some fun. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Hope you're loading this contest faster than I am. Because this is not a great time for it to not load. Okay, there we go. It's so weird. Already wasted 20 seconds. And maybe more to load Q1. Thanks, Leetcode. Alright, let's go. Vowel consonant score. What is C is greater than 0? What? They don't explain the C. Oh, C is the number of consonants. Okay. Alright. This is going to be confusing. Alright. If C is greater than 0, and score is equal to right, is that it? Expect 210. Oh, they're numbers. What? I did YOLO go too fast, but still. I didn't look at the poem, obviously. I was just YOLO going fast. I mean, it is what it is. Sometimes, you know, when you try to finish everything in like 10 seconds, you're going to make these mistakes on reading. But okay. Cost and capacity, both length n, where cost of I, capacity of I represents its performance. You're also given an integer budget. What? You have to select at most 2 machines, such that the total cost of the select machine is strictly measured in budget. Okay, so it's like an n is big, so n squared is not big enough. Okay, maximum achievable total capacity of the thing's budget. So then now, alright, 10 to the 5th, okay. I think it's just binary search, right? But, okay, so best is equal to max of capacity. No, I guess technically, that's not true. Okay. But for cost cap and zip of course capacity, best is equal to max, best cap. If cost is less than you go to budget, right? And then otherwise it's just binary search, is it? I mean, you could probably do other things, but we should probably sort first, right? As a result. I mean, there are a lot of things you can do. I'm just lazy on all of them. Yeah, I guess we should sort. It's just annoying that they write a list of 2 things, but okay. Maybe and we want to sort by cost. And then now we want a lookup, right? There's so many ways to do it, but they're all the ways are annoying. It's basically just like a heap, really. But okay, so then now cap. Maybe something like this, right? Okay, but first we want to say while length of stack is greater than 0, and the top of the stack, if the cost is greater than, or that cost plus cost is greater than budget, then stack.pop, and then also the top of the stack is going to be the cost, and then cap is equal to this, and then we can remove it from cap, right, in theory. Otherwise we do this, but then otherwise then now we can just take the max, right? Nope. Something like that. For Q2, this is very weird. I'm doing it very weird, maybe. Why is it taking so long? There should not be infinity, right? So, okay, it's just Leetcode being weird then, because that's not even like a, I don't know, 765. That's not right. And apparently I suck at coding today. Can't even do a Q2. But why is that? All right, let's see. All right. Oh, I'm dumb. This is the best plus the current cap, right? So that's the best F in the budget. But that means, okay, 8, but 6. All right, I guess we should. All right, so we do the 3, 2 first. Put in the 2, the 4. It's gonna be the 2 plus 6 is 8, right? Am I misunderstanding this one? So the 3 and the 4. Strictly less than budget? Why would you do strictly less than budget? Who does this? Who writes this? That's not what a budget means. You cannot change English. Okay, fine. Alright. Who writes this? Alright. I mean, it may still be wrong, but who writes this? Why would you? Okay. I was still a bit tilted on this. Maybe I should have checked my answers. But okay. Budget is 3. Oh, I forgot to change this part, because who does this? Who does this? Who uses a budget and be like, oh, you need to be strictly less than the budget and not exactly the budget? Oh man, I got another wrong answer because I think I'm just too tilted. Okay. Who does this? Expected 9 sounds right. I mean, I don't know. I think I'm just like too confused. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay. 7. So this is going to be 4 plus 2, right? 8 and, huh? Oh, dang it. Okay, that's just not a good typo. Or like, this is what happens when you shadow variables. I'm just being dumb today. But hopefully this is actually right. Okay. But who uses a budget this way? 2 wrong answers because I cannot read budget. Who? Alright, okay. Alright. This is already a disaster. But alright. Auction system, user ID, item ID, and a bit amount. What does that mean? Add bit, okay, use update bit, remove bit. All right, get the highest bit. I mean, this is just sorted list, I think, right? So we want right, so then add bit is just gonna be bit of the item ID dot add bit amount user ID, and yeah, maybe I just go ahead and look up. Something like this, update bit. Is it always exist? Okay. Is guaranteed to exist. Okay. And now sort of it's new map, and then self.lookup. Remove bit. I guess we could have done this. User ID, item ID. I didn't really think about it, but clearly I could have just done this. Which is kind of nice. But alright, get highest bidder from an item ID, self.bid. Where is it? Bid amount or highest ID? Okay. I think this is right. It could be wrong. I don't know anymore. Right. I mean, I didn't read the typo too carefully, so hopefully I think I handled it right, but it's possible that I'm being dumb. Not looking good that this takes so long though. But I don't do anything that crazy, so if it times out, it should not time out. Maybe Leetcode is just having issues. I'm still pending. Pending like, I don't know. What? Network issue? Okay, fine. Am I having a network issue? It's still charging again. Oh, nothing's going right today. Oh, okay, wrong answer. Whoops. I mean, this one I was a little bit lazy on. Okay, add bit. I don't. I thought you could keep adding bits. Ah, I see. I didn't. I actually did miss this. Doesn't make sense. There's an update bit API. Why would you do this? Why would you just have one thing then? This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Okay. Like, I don't know. This contest is all just dumb. If you ask me. Is that on mine or no? It's on the top one. That is right, right? Yeah. Huh? If it's here, we remove it, right? Why 519 on list? So removing the previous 5, but why is it not? Huh? Today is just, these aren't even good problems. These are just dumb problems, and I'm struggling. Like it's not just not interesting. That's a 5-1, but oh, I see. I do not. This is actually a legit bug. Actually, no, that's not on. Yeah. Okay. That's actually pretty bad. I did miss this one. Actually, that's a real bug. No Leetcode's fault. Still a silly problem, but that's unrelated. And server issues, also maybe unrelated, but I don't know. But that's just me dumb. Alright, string S, lowercase, any operations, or any number of operations. Choose any letters that at least twice, and then delete them, return the lexicographically. Smallest that could return that way. So you never subtract A. So then it's just like one of those, you remove if there was a previous, if there's smaller letter afterwards kind of thing, right? So yeah, I mean, I don't. Oh, I guess the tricky thing is that you can remove. Okay. What if I do it one letter at a time instead of index? So then you have sort of set, and then everything goes before, right? Because everything that is before Z would go anyway. So then, okay, so then I think, okay, so then what's the right way to write it? It's just that it is smaller than the next one. Right, is that it? Oh. Wait, I assume that you always remove the one afterwards, but no. Do you always keep the latest one? Well, yes. Because of greedy. Alright. So you keep the latest one if you have no choice. If you remove, or if you have an earlier one that you haven't removed yet, then you could do it anyway, right? So, okay. So if this is equal to C, in theory you could probably even jump ahead, but 26 times n should be fine. If not, then we have to optimize, but that's okay. Yeah, not worth doing. A lot of complications. If the next letter is smaller, otherwise, yeah, then now we remove I. Okay, so we've kept one, right? Then we can remove everything. Otherwise, if we have not kept one, then we have to keep at least the last number. Right? I have to think about how to handle. Like if we have all B's. Okay, let's see here. I have to handle this a little differently actually. So you have like this, then actually you should remove all, well, yeah, you should remove all of these. But the way that I do it, I don't think I actually check. This is annoying. I mean, I don't think it's hard, but it is annoying. How would I do it? Because you would also not, if it's something like this, you would actually not remove any of these B's. So you have to kind of figure how to jump ahead. I don't know actually. Let's see if this works for. Actually, I don't know. The examples are kind of weak. Something like this, right? Leetcode's having issue. I don't know why Leetcode's having issue. I mean, it is what it is, but it has to be the time that, you know, I don't know. I guess contest where I struggle is about right. But, I mean, this isn't right yet anyway. Thanks, Leetcode. Premium Leetcode. Just so that I can't even get a result. Is it me? Can I go on websites? No, I mean, it seems like I can go on websites. So just Leetcode. Oh well. How do I handle this stuff? It should be good for the first two, I think. Or at least if the input matches what Leetcode does this sometimes, but they just forgot that, you know, I didn't do anything, right? And now I have to run it again. But yeah, but these are not right, of course. This has to keep going. I'm also trying to think whether like this is the right way to fix it. I mean, I could definitely do it, but something like this. But we want to skip doing it again, right? Doing something like this. There is a thing though, because I think this is a case too where if it's just this, you want a shorter one, so you just remove all of them, right? That's true for no matter what. But it's hard to test, or like the way that I write these problems is like more iteratively, and it's hard to iterate when when the server's not up. I might just, I don't know, do it offline or something. How much time do we have left? 59 minutes. We still have plenty of time. It's just great. Don't even show up. So that's right. That's right. I mean, this looks okay. ACCP, CPA. This isn't right because you would rather, it should be CAB. So why is it okay? So the C's, it removes the C, one of the C, it doesn't matter which one. Okay, so then CBAP, right? So this isn't right. Okay, why is it not right? It goes through it. This should remove this. Right, and then now it should try to remove both of them, because this one should the last character should try to remove it, right? What's it called? C remove. Okay. 1 and 3. Oh, because do we keep the last one? Why would I thought I'd keep the first one? Wait, do I? No, what? This may not exist, but oh, this is a set object. Okay, fine. This for now. It's such a hack, but okay. CPA, still wrong. Okay, 1 and 3. Then we only kept 3, right? Why? Huh? Yes, crazy technology cannot do it. Okay, so you removed. Wait a second. Why is this different from pop? We popped the 3 and we removed 1, right? Wait, but so we removed 3. Okay. I mean, this is expected, but That's why I had it as pop before, right? Oh, because it was a set, so I think pop meant differently because I converted to a set by accident. Well, not by accident, but it just... Okay, I mean, I guess it's good to catch. Oh, whoops. It's good to catch. I don't know. Very dumb today. I am. And Leetcode doing stuff like this is not great. Alright. I think this is right. Alright. I mean, probably missing something, but at least it fits. You know, we gave it a try. Oh, that's actually surprising. Of all the silly mistakes to make, I didn't, you know, Q4 was the one that I didn't do. But, alright. Alright, apparently there's no record of anything anymore. Thanks, Leetcode. There we go. Alright, I mean, not too bad, actually, considering I have so many wrong answers. Actually was expecting worse. But, Q4, I kind of, I mean, I don't know. What was Q? I don't actually remember them anymore. Alright. And if Leetcode wants to, you know, load problems, that would be great too. I mean, this is straightforward. I don't know why the numbers, I just didn't, yeah. I don't know, maybe I misread it. This one, why would I get wrong answer? Oh, the budget. Budget. This one, I actually just didn't read the problems well, I guess. Because I just didn't see the replace one. Why would you have an add and update then? It is so dumb. So dumb. I mean, Q4 is the only one that I guess I truly respect, and so I took my time. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.